Okay bro, awesome, welcome back dear friends. I will scribble on the monitor screen and this time I run an EA. EA for gold pairs. See in the video what EA am I using and what time frame. Little explanation. Gold is one of the oldest currencies in the world. For centuries, gold has been used as a means of storing wealth in various cultures around the world because it is considered the safest and has a perception of eternal value. It was proven that during the economic recession, many people started investing in gold to secure their wealth. Gold is also the investment choice of various foreign central banks to stabilize their own exchange rates. The price of gold depends on demand and supply in the market. As we know, the largest consumption of gold is in the jewelry industry. Apart from that, gold is also used for the electronics and medical industries. The greater the level of demand, the higher the price of gold. Gold is also used as an investment diversification by various central banks so that the value of gold is inversely proportional to the USD currency exchange rate. Gold is also traded online or online gold trading by utilizing derivatives in the form of contract for difference, CFD, trades through the same brokers or brokers as FOREX brokers. CFDs on gold are known by the code symbol ZAO. In general, online gold trading is carried out in pairs with the world's main foreign currencies such as the US dollar, USD, or euro, EUR, so that it becomes ZAO, USD, ZAO, EUR, XAG, USD, and so on. The price of gold can rise or fall, fluctuate, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, following market movements. Currently, gold trading is more influenced by market sentiment than based on supply and demand. This is because the supply of new gold from gold mines is much lower than the gold owned by the public. So when people who own gold want to sell their gold, the price of gold will fall. On the other hand, if the people who own gold want to buy gold, look at the results of this AI. I have run it on my account, no backtesting. Okay. The results are very good. This AI he earns trading in gold, and then the theme will be reviewed, please Mrs. Beautiful.
Hello, happy trading. How is your trading? What are the profits or stop loss or cut loss? Stop loss or cut loss a good strategy to deal with the pair gold or ZOST market, a market that is very trending in the world, buying and selling currency online brokered by brokers. Okay, this time we review an EA gold. At the end of the video, we will tell you the name of EA. Okay. Look at EA's comments on the video. We suggest using a 5-minute time frame. That's what we've been doing. Please use a balance of 10,000, lot not too big. Use EA wisely and wisely. First learn an EA character. Okay? Friends, we will share the Scout 9.0 version for the top version. Please friends join cheap too, to help support us, and thanks for the friends who have joined, really help us.
Okay, thanks everyone friends who have subscribed and joined in our YouTube community. Good luck to all, greetings, profit, best wishes, wassalamu alaikum.